Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Cool by cool breeze blow through the night, bring calm, bring gentle light. Every sound talk history, nature tell its mystery. Me stand pon the hill and listen keen, hear voices hidden but ever clean. Wine tell tales from ancient times, carry through forgotten rhymes. It speak of unity one strong, of hearts that knew right from wrong. Me close me eyes to feel the flow, wisdom drift wherever it go. Me walk the coast where waves collide, ocean speak with rhythmic pride. It tell of journeys brave and wild, of Mother Earth so soft and mild. Me hear the wind repeat the song, keep faith strong, stay brave, belong. Every whisper teach me more, open me heart, open me door. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone, feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend, show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise, hear the world with open eyes. Me journey deep through forest green, watch how life move calm and serene. Wine shake leaves and dance so sweet, nature drum keep perfect beat. It tell me hold your strength and stand, guard this soul like sacred land. Me breathe the healing deep and slow, let the energy freely grow. Me cross the plains where dust fly high, wine draw patterns in the sky. It call me name in gentle tone, make me feel me never alone. Every place me walk or roam, wind remind me about me home. Lift me thoughts, me worries ease, bring me heart eternal peace. Close your eyes and let it speak, its wisdom strong, its voice unique. Let the breeze erase the pain, bring sunshine after rain. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone, feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend, show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise, hear the world with open eyes. So when wind pass through your gate, know it carries something great. Let it lead you gently on, till new dawn bring brighter sun. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Midnight calm and lanterns bright, shine through shadows, warm the night. Soft light dance on every stone, guide the weary safely home. Me walk the lane where silence sing, hear the flutter of night bird wing. Lantern flame reflect the soul, make the broken spirit whole. Me feel the peace soak in me skin, Wash away where pain have been. Quiet moments, deep and slow. Teach me truth, me need to know. Me pass the harbor by the sea. Lantern sway so gracefully. Fisherman cast line with ease. Oh, my song upon the breeze. Life feels simple, life feel real. Moments like these help our heal. Lantern light reveal the way. Keep me strong through every day. Lanterns of midnight glow so warm. Guide the soul through every storm. Shine the path where hope still grow. Lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep. Guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing, pure and true. Light the darkness all night through. Me sit beside the river bend. Feel the night become my friend. Water shimmer in the light. Turn the shadows soft and bright. Me breathe slow and understand. Peace reside in your own plan. Every flicker, every gleam, show me life, not just a dream. Me sit it down in quiet rest. Family safe, their hearts feel blessed. Lanterns hang on every gate. Calm the mind, remove the weight. Light connect both old and young. Glow ignite each spoken tongue. Night become a sacred space, full of tender, holy grace. Hold the lantern, hold it near. Let it chase away your fear. Walk the path with steady glow. Move with strength where shadows go. Lanterns of midnight glow so warm. Guide the soul through every storm. Shine the path where hope still grow. Lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep. Guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing, pure and true. Light the darkness all night through. When the dawn begin to rise, lantern fade from tired eyes, but the peace it brings shall stay. Guide you through another day. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Sunrise paint the sky in gold. My spirit calm, my heart unfold. Every breath a blessing true. Every path reveals something new. Me walk the lane where breeze feel cool. Mind stay sharp like ancient tool. The elders whisper from the trees. Stand firm youth, move with ease. Me sight the mountains from afar, shining bright like a guiding star. Every stone beneath my feet carry stories deep and sweet. Me see the youth them search for hope. Try climb life's slippery slope. Me tell them hold the vision clear. No let doubt control your fear. The world change fast, the days move quick, but strong foundation never sick. When we unite, the vibe rise high. Lift the spirit toward the sky. Golden steps on the road we trod. Lift the heart and honor Jah God. Walk with peace, no lose your way. Shine your light through night and day. Golden steps carry so far. Every life a blazing star. Hold the strength, hold the vibe. Let the love inside you thrive. Me trod through valleys deep and wide, but courage always walk beside. No storm can shake the roots me grow. Me stand tall even when wind blow. Truth remain the strongest guide. Hold your fire deep inside. One step more the future rise. Hope reflecting every eye. Me reach a town where people gather. Reason about life and what truly matter. Children laugh, musicians play. Spread pure joy through every day. Harmony float like river stream. Fill the land with a shining dream. Blessings fall like morning rain. Wash away every hidden pain. Take a step, breathe it in. Every loss prepare for win. Every seed beneath the sun soon shall rise when time come. Golden steps on the road we trod. Lift the heart and honor Jah God. Walk with peace, no lose your way. Shine your light through night and day. Golden steps carry soul so far. Every life a blazing star. Hold the strength, hold the vibe. Let the love inside you thrive. So walk proud wherever you go. Let your inner lantern glow. Golden steps forever guide. Keep the truth by your side. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na na na. Me step into a valley bathed in morning gold. Quiet stories waiting for unfold. Breeze and blow above the land. Carry blessings soft and grand. Me walk a trail of ancient stone. Feel the heartbeat of the zone. Birds them circle high and free, teaching lessons silently. A farmer raises hand with smile. Say stay true through every mile. Me nod and let his wisdom stay. Fuel me spirit through the day. Beside a river calm and wide, fisherman cast line with pride. He tell me patience rule the tide. Don't let hurry be your guide. Me watch the water ripple bright, reflecting day, rejecting night, Me feel a shift inside me chest, like troubled thoughts find place for rest. Echoes of the Golden Valley call, lift me spirit when me fall. Guide me steps and clear me sight, turn me darkness into light, Echoes rising warm and strong, carry truth the whole day long, Valley speak with gentle tone, help me find me inner throne. Me pass a child who sketch the scene, shades of amber, blue and green. She said every color hold a dream, more than what it first may seem. Her innocence inspire me mind, push me heart to stay aligned. Me breathing deep the peaceful space, feel Jah presence in the place. When sunset lay a crimson flare, voices gather everywhere. Villagers share tunes and tales, chant of hopeful winding trails. The harmony lift up the air. Only me pull my soul from every care. Only me give thanks for all me view. Bless the valley deep and true. All the moments are yet bright. Keep them shining through the night. Every echo shape your way. Guide your heart from day to day. Cause of the Golden Valley call. Golden Valley call. Lift me spirit when me fall. Guide me steps and clear me sight. Steps and clear me sight. Turn me darkness into light. Darkness into light. Echoes rising warm and strong. Rising warm and strong. Carry truth the whole day long. Truth the whole day long. Valley speak with gentle tone. Speak with gentle tone. Help me find me in a throne. So when doubt cloud up your mind, return where echoes stay refined. Golden Valley ever near. Turn your sorrow into cheer. Through the whole day long. Through the whole day long. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, 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 aye. Me climb a path with steady stride. Cool wine dance along me side. Mountain rise like ancient king. All the secrets nature bring. Me feel the earth beneath my soul. Pull me deeper toward my goal. A shepherd hum a rustic hymn. Echoes strong across the rim. He said this mountain shape my mind. Teach me patience, keep me kind. Me take his words and hold them tight. Carry them into the light. A pot a rest beside a spring. Crafting bowls with gentle swing. She tell me balance craft the way. Give as much as you display. Watch her shape the spinning clay. Calm but powerful in every sway. Her hands tell truth in silent speech. Share a lesson, action teach. Eyes, flame of the mountain, heart burn bright. Warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep. Give me strength me need for keep mountain. Flame of ancient lore, light me, steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace. Make me every worry cease. Me reach a clearing far and wide, where elders sit side by side. Them reason about the days gone by. Share the wisdom never die. Sit and listen every part. Feel the fire, warm my heart. Them stories roll like timeless drums. Show where every blessing comes. Sunset blaze upon the peak. Paint a view beyond unique. Villagers climb up the trail. Together strong, together held. Them chant a chorus rich and pure. Carry unity secure. Mountain glow in evening hue. All a meaning deep and true. Rise like fire through the cold. Hold your courage brave and bold. Every ember shape your day. Burn the darkness far away. Flame of the mountain, heart burn bright. Warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep. Give me strength me need for keep mountain. Flame of ancient lore, light me, steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace. Make me heavy worries cease. So when life feel faint or hard, call the mountain as your God. Flame will rise and light your view. Show a path both strong and true. Aye, 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 aye. Aye. them chant a timeless beat. Wash my heart and cool the heat. Me watch the water rise and fall. Hear a distant seabird call. A fisherman me net with care. Salt breeze twist within his ear. He tell me life flow like the sea. Storms will come but so will peace. Me listen close to every line. Each word sailing to me mind. A sculptor carve a stone near shore. Shape the ocean at its core. He said me call me sea. Strength and softness living we. Me study how his carving shine. Smooth as rhythm, sharp as spine. See if I'm kiss the rugged edge. Make the moment feel like pledge. Hey, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. Sing a deep, eternal song. Lift me soul through crest and trove. Teach me strength when life gets rough. Ocean spirit, bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide. Hold me steady by your side. Children run along the sand. Shells them jingling in hand. Them build a castle high and grand. Wave come crash but still them stand. The laughter echo loud and bright. Charge the water with delight. My smile as hope refill the air. Simple joy beyond compare. Evening color wash the sea. Purple gold in harmony. Boats return with weary crew. Grateful feed the work them do. Them share small stories, humble real. Every line me truly feel. Ocean hum a sacred tune. Bless the rising crescent moon. Flow with courage, flow with grace. Let the tide define your pace. Every crest and every dip. Guide your heart through every trip. Hey, dance of the ocean, spirit strong. Sing a deep, eternal song. Lift me soul through crest and trough. Teach me strength when life gets rough. Ocean spirit, bold and true. Carry wisdom flowing through. Guide me like the moonlit tide. Hold me steady by your side. So when trouble cloud your day, let the ocean show your way. Spirit dance across the foam. Lead your weary heart back home. Na 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 na. Nightfall calm but dry. rocks beneath me feet, guiding steps so firm, so sweet. Voices blend like morning dew, pure vibration shining through. Every chant remove the fear, pull the distant future near. Harmony build strong and wide, carry joy like ocean tide. Rise of the healing rhythm strong, carry the people all along. Beat of hope, beat of life, wash away distress and strife. Let the drum unlock the heart, bring the world a brand new start. Healing rhythm, pure and free, lift the global energy. Children dance with glowing eyes, feel the spirit start to rise. Elders smile and sway in time, each heartbeat create a rhyme. Every drum talk truth and love, blessing shower from above. Music mend what pain divide, bring all nations side by side. Me see the night turn warm and bright, as rhythm chase away the night. People join from every place, different voice but same embrace. Together strong, together high, lift the vibe toward the sky. Healing spread through every land, touch each soul with gentle hand. Close your eyes, release the past, let the rhythm hold you fast. Let it guide you through the storm, till your heart feels safe and warm. Rise of the healing rhythm strong, carry the people all along. Beat of hope, beat of life, wash away distress and strife. Let the drum unlock the heart, bring the world a brand new start. Healing rhythm, pure and free, lift the global energy. When the final echo fade, no new strength inside is made. Healing rhythm ever stay, guide you through each coming day.
Na 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 na.
Nightfall, me hold the fire still, follow Jah will. In a darkness, me guard the light. True shine bright, me watch the stars. Me hear Jah voice, me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift from above. Them chase power, chase gold, them spirit cool, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny, me got the spark in me chest. Jah manifest, me see them up the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm, no shadow deep enough to hide. Truth inside me, light me chalice, chant me psalms. Heart calm, carbide, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure, me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare, still Jah there. Me see the moon reflect the truth, guide the youth. Them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad, cause me know Jah never sleep, promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow, them power go, me flame expose the wrong. Them do light shine through, me guard the spark for every soul. Make them hold me, live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame, no wind can blow the light away. It dead to stage, a spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn all wrong, me hold the lamp in every fight, bring the light. Jah lively, keeper of the flame, burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure, me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Jah lively, forever rise. Jah lively, forever
tame. One eternal flame. When me gone, me fire remain. True giant pain. Keeper of the flame, will be true giant pain. Keeper of the flame for eternity. Keeper of the flame.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Deep the ocean, wide and blue. Carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace. Ocean brings us sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong. Ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide. Ocean hold us side by side. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife. Ocean give the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail. Ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave. Ocean bless the ones just saved. Children play upon the sand. Ocean hold them in a hand. Ella bow and say a prayer. Ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow. Ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide. Ocean keep your truth inside. From the sunrise to the night, ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song. Ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure. Ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together. Ocean bond will last forever. Seashell echo, dolphins sing. Ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore. Ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end. Ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free. Ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea. Bind the people. Unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong. Ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity deep and true. Carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free. Ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light. Zion Reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun. Chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love, herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land. In ganja smoke and jaja and me burn a spliff, it clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow. Not just herb, but heart you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon know. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Nanya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Ay, 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 ganja inna the jungle, yeah, man. Yeah. Me hear the drum from far away. Call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high. Jah music never die. Me feel the bass in my chest. Jah give me rest, every strike a truth reveal. Rasta strength unseal, me see the youth them start fi dance. In a chance of chance, every heart they join the sound. Unity abound. Me remember the elder song say keep the fire strong. Me no bout to vanity, only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice them seek. A white teeth of the drum tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. High beat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow. Hear the ancient echo, each beat a story told. Of courage bold, me close me eyes, me feel Jah upon my face, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real. Jah power me feel. The crowd a sing the night, ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace divine. Drum beat carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, I beat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground. Jah rhythm all around. Oh, 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 beat, pop, bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fade, but still it hum. Jah love always come. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Jah rhythm all around. Aye, 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 aye. One love, one people, you're mine. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me him for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my oath. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah, roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soldier keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been.
roots revival carry on till the morning come.
Aye, aye, aye. That's on reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear, deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace, sky reveal Jah's shining face. Every star a guiding flame, every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more chain, sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high, see deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land, sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake, sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away, sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free, sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and white, sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty tone, sky remind we not alone. Lift your eye, behold the sign, sky of Zion always shine. Storm may come with thunder loud, still the sky protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down, sky uplift Jah holy crown. Rain may fall yet seed will grow, sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide, sky of freedom never hide. At the sunset, gold and red, sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep, sky of Zion never sleep. Generations, one by one, sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear, sky of freedom always near. Shine, shine, sky so high, lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true, sky of Zion guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright, shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall, sky of freedom bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free, sky of Zion cover me.
Aye, aye, aye. Zaya leve yo man. Oh, 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 oh. Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light feed the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, it tell Yahweh, night and day. We are voice of the drum, call we home. Beat, feed the last and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide we through. Me feel the spirit move my soul, drum restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right, turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near, me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride, truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth, sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell, sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveals Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the air. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace, one heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight, only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat, feed the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum, mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide we through. Voice of the drum, eternal song, keep the people strong. Let the world remember still Jah holy will. Me rest me hand pon skin and shell, hear the story well. Voice of the drum, never done, beat till kingdom come.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow, valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song, valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary take a rest, valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripe and flowers bloom, valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile, valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long, valley sing the hopeful song. Babylon crumble on the hill, valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather chant aloud, valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above, valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near, valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor, valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest, valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight, valley glow with holy light. Morning sun up on the plain, valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, sky. Valley chant will never die. Generation pass along. Valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting, deep and wide. Valley hold your love inside. Grow seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing just song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living bold and free. Valley all eternity.
Crown of Zion shining gold, story of the truth big told. It bless the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, here to stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown, carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown, just spread, forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all, it guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown, by Jahan, forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown, destiny, you see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown, Jarrah, forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown, Jalite, it bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown, make we whole, it shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jamaica, no Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show, forever blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, just song, it crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Yahweh, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Jah way, eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people, wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name from age to age, from dusk. Aye, aye, aye. Ah. Aye, 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 aye. Ah. Aye, 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 aye. Night unfold with gentle grace. Lanterns glow in every place. Shopkeepers hum tunes low and warm. Peace around like healing storm. Me stop fi sip a tea so sweet. Warm front gentle through me feet. The lantern sway above me slow. Tell me take your time and grow. An elder carve a piece of wood. Shapes of meaning understood. He tell me patience carve the truth. Both for old and both for youth. Me watch his hands create a face. Filled with wisdom, filled with grace. He smile and pass me carved design. Say carry this and you'll align. Rest song of the quiet lanterns bright. Guide me through the softest night. Glow upon the weary soul. Help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure. Help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long. Wrap me spirit in your song. Children paint with laughing tone. Color bursts like seeds once sown. The walls tell stories bold and free. Murals of the community. Me touch the colors drying fresh. Feel the joy through every mesh. Each stroke shine like morning spark. Bright against the creeping dark. Midnight breeze come soft and slow. Let the lantern shadows flow. People gather side by side. Sharing tales with modest pride. Me join and feel the circle's peace. All my tension find release. Night become a world of art. Healing deep within me heart. Glow your truth in gentle tone. Light the places left unknown. Every lantern softly say, you are guided on your way. A song of the quiet lanterns bright. Guide me through the softest night. Glow upon the weary soul. Help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure. Help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long. Wrap me spirit in your song. So when darkness cloud your eye, let a quiet lantern try. Lead you through the evening's grace, till tomorrow show its face.
No, man, no, in a garden ray. To bless the world, yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight. But love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke.
but the sun still rise again. Wash away this stain, me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, me soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Me see the youth them searching wide, truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan, them ready fi stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made, each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun, we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high, lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away, light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within, burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me fate, me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine up on the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise, truth reflecting the eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light, show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath me final tone. Me know me never